Here's the glove box. Try to get this light, try to make it somewhat usable, this video. So if you're looking at left hand side, you see that black button. You got to pull that towards the back of the car. Let's see if I can get this light in a spot. I'm trying to do this with one hand, kind of reach in here, pull it to the back of the car like that, and push it through to the outside. There, you see, that's the tether. Now, let me see if I can set you down here somewhere where you can still see what's going on. I don't know if you can or not, but yeah, kind of. As soon as I move, you'll probably be out of the shot, but you should be able to just push that in. Oh, I know why. It's hitting the side of it. That's why. Yeah, I got that one. Hopefully this shows up somewhat. I don't know. Not real good light in here right now. Pull that in. There we go. There we go. Flip down. Whoa! Man down. So initially, customer said that I thought it was the cabin, not the cabin air filter, the fan making noise, but let's see if I can get it to do it here again. So that's a blend door somewhere, limiting out. That's what that is. I don't know where, it's in here. I don't know if you can see that blend door move, but maybe you can see inside there. You'll see this door. If I can get this light in here somehow. Pivot down. I don't know if you'll even be able to see this, but you maybe can see it. Watch this thing go by. There it goes. The limit. See it hopping? It's jumping up and down. So looking in through the glove box here, you can see the air box and the door on the side back in there. Hard for me to show it to you, but right back in there, a little red tab on it. That's a blend door, and that's the one that's got a problem. Let me run it again. You can get to listen to it. You really can't see anything, but you can listen to it. Here, clicking. I reach back in there in my hand. I can actually feel it vibrating back in there. So that one's bad. So I've got the glove box off, just real simple. Hinges at the bottom. And then I've got this cover on the bottom. A couple of plastic push pins underneath. One on this side, one here. Let me get a tool, pull them out. We should be able to drop that cover down, and I can get up at that blend door and see how to replace it. One here. I know you can't see it, but they're just plastic push pin. Come on, let go. There we go. There's one. There's one here. I think that's it. We'll see in a second. That's all. No. And now you can only see the back of my head. Here it is. Here it is. Alright. What do I got back here? Got a couple screws. But I probably don't have to undo them. I can reach up in here. Now I can get to that on the side. That blend door. So let me stick you up in there and show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully. Up on the side of the box here. Right here. There's a blend door, or a blend motor I should say, on the end of that door, end of that shaft for that door. So that's what's making all the noise. See that red tab? It's a locking tab. That's the blend door actuator that I need to get out. So I think there's two T20 screws, one at the bottom, one at the top. Undo that connector and pull out of here. I'm not even going to try to show it to you because there's no way I can get it in there and get the camera in there and show you at the same time. So I'm going to pull that out, and then we'll get a new one and replace it. Well, there you can see 2 screws, and there it is. There's the new one. I'm just going to reach up in here, take it out. I'm not even going to try to film it because It's impossible for this. Maybe I'll show it to you when I'm done, but it's impossible to film it and put it in at the same time. It's just not enough room. Then we'll put everything back together, check it out. Well, hopefully this will show up for you. You can see the end of the connector. 2 screws are back in. Actuator's back in. It's hooked up. Let's see how it does. You should be able to see this and it shouldn't click on me. There goes the door. Hopefully you can see that. No clicking. So it's not stripped out. There you go. Fixed. Not very difficult. Pretty easy. Just got to put the glove box and all back in. Let's start at the inside end. I think that one's going to be hard to get to. Get that one in. The middle in. And then got to get this guy up and in here. He's a little tough to get in, but it should go in here. It came out. So let's see how it wouldn't go in. There it goes. A little bit of a pain, but start the inside end, get that, then work to the middle, then work to the other side. I got to put my screws because I thought pulling those screws out would help me, but it didn't make any difference, so I just got to put them back in. Take your tether. You're going to get your tether. Hook your tether back up. I know you can't probably see that. There's my tether. Now, push up and in here. I'm going to block the light because I need to get in here a little better. Push past your stop on the side there. Tight again, but it'll go. There's one. There's 2. That's it. Well, that's it for the blend door in this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. Pretty simple job. Actually easy to get to that blend door. You just pull the glove box off and get right up in there without too many problems. If you had to do this for your 2010, I believe it's up to 2013. I think that's the same, 5th gen of the Town and Country. I hope it helps you out. If you like the videos, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.